Hello, welcome to another episode of Phantom Bricks. Today we have got a great new friend set for you. We're going to be taking a look at the Heartlake International School. It's set number 41731. Came out earlier this year and it is a great set. So let's get into it. This is a modular build where each section can be mixed and matched with other sections in the same set. You can also do this with other friend sets that have a similar modular design. This adds a lot of playability to a set like this. There's a lot going on in this set, so let's jump right in. Let's start on the right side of the school where there's a small outdoor grass area that has a tree with leaf and flower elements in its crown. There are a series of tiles that add some nice ground texture here leading up to a staircase where each step is capped with a different colored tile that adds some nice color texture to the set. Stairs lead to an eating area on the top of the building where there's a small flower arrangement as well as a table, 2 chairs, and we've got a sandwich and a drink as well. Moving down to the lower part of this building, we have a lunch counter with a stickered tile for the menu and double sloped bricks creating an awning in a similar color pattern to the steps leading to the upstairs. Swinging around back, we have a cooking area with a range hood above 2 burners and an oven, a sink area and a prep counter along with another sitting area. There is a lot of detail packed into this space. Coming farther around the building, we find a bathroom with a toilet, double sink, and a soap dispenser. Now moving to the back of the school, we'll start on the bottom left with what appears to be a podcasting studio with a microphone and computer along with 2 lockers. Stickers and printed tiles add some nice visual variation to this section. Now moving up, we have a jam-packed science station. Now there's a Bunsen burner that's cooking up something that's producing a purple gas. Nice touch there. Next to it are a set of jars and a nice use of elements by the designers here to simulate one falling over and spilling its contents on the floor. To the right, there is a skeleton for anatomy lessons and a desk with a hamster bed and water bottle for the school's pet hamster, which is named Bunsen. So sliding right, we have a cool art studio with a double set of supply drawers on the left, followed by 2 easels that sit on modified plates that allow them to swivel. Moving down, we have a classroom with 3 desks and a neat setup with a projector on one wall and a sticker on the opposite wall for the projection from the camera. And I really like how they created the school desks here. On the far edge of the school, we have a basketball goal for the kids to shoot some hoops. And then coming around to the front, on the left side, there's a sliding door on the bottom that leads into the video production classroom, along with 2 window boxes on the top. Now, I really like these window boxes because they add nice texture to an upper section like this. Historically, we would have just had a flat plane with windows on it, so having these window boxes come out is a nice touch. Now, finishing off, we come to the front entrance of the school. There is a nice use of tiles here to create the front walkway. And I love how they use the transparent pink bricks to make the front more visually interesting. Right above this, there are 2 stickered banners with some nice graphics that add some more color to the set, as well as 4 stickered slopes set off from one another that create a main sign that looks like a book with various subjects reflected on it. The set comes with a nice assortment of 5 mini dolls, all from the new generation of friends. We get Aliya, Olly, Autumn, Mr. Maluhale, and Niko. Now, Autumn is one of my favorite new characters. She really reflects LEGO's commitment to making its products inclusive for as broad a cross-section of customers as possible. We've seen various minifigures over the years with various differences, but this is the first one that I can recall that is missing a limb like Autumn is. I will admit, though, I'm not counting the peg leg pirates here. Kids always like to play with toys that they can easily identify with, and I'm sure this will be very welcome for any kids out there who have a similar difference. So there you have it. This is quite a set. There is a ton going on in it. It holds a tremendous amount of playability and value. It has a fairly high price point at $100, but for that money, you get a lot of value in the set. Hope you enjoyed that look at the Heartlake International School, set number 41731. It's out now, retails for $100. You can find it on our website at www.phantom-toys.com. If we're out of stock, you can always find it at lego.com as well. Phantom Bricks is produced by Phantom Toys and Games. We are an online retailer and an authorized dealer of LEGO products. If you enjoyed this content, please hit like and subscribe below. Really helps us out, and we'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment. And until next time, happy building.